Hey guys, today I'm going to unbox this arched floor mirror that I just got. It's 65 by 22 inches. It comes with this plastic wrapping and with this manual. And we're going to unbox it and we're going to install it and see how it looks. As you can see, it's very big and it's the perfect size for my room. And we're going to install it and see how it looks on my room. So it is very easy to install. You can hang it from the wall with these little details it comes with, or you can simply place it in your room in whatever place you want it with this little base it comes with. It is very easy to just pull it back and you can place it like so anywhere you want in your home. And I love this mirror because it has this gold detail and it's super easy to install. And yeah, it's super cute. Definitely a must in your house.
As you can see, this is a floor mirror. It's really big, and you can see at the mirror, you can dress, and this is great. It's beautiful, and you can put it in your room. It's beautiful. It has a golden frame and it's beautiful. I really recommend it.